Today's mission is to ride the skate park and to pick one trick off my to-do list to try to do today. And you click the video, which means there's some good news. My hardest trick. This is going to be currently my hardest trick. If this video is live, that means something good happened. But the trick of the day that I want to try later after we warm up at the skate park is going to be a fakie coat hanger. Held the trick forward and I just learned how to hold the trick backward, but I've never gotten into it and never landed it. And so this is a battle of the bugs. Skate park's full of bugs. This currently might be my hardest trick. Summertime, that's what it is today. Sweating, it's only been like 10 minutes. There's a few things I want to try with quarter pipes. Like back in the day in New York, there used to be this mini pipe in Forest Park in Queens. And there was the perfect little tiny mini pipe where I would do a lot of manual combos, where I would manual up and down the ramp. And there's not too many smaller ramps to do that, and to do a manual to fakie manual on a big ramp is sketch. So I just haven't done it in a while. But that quarter seems reasonable. It just kind of sucks because it's not a mini pipe. I want to see if I can at least do some manual to fakie manual, some nose manual, fakie nose manual, just basically land at it flat. Yo, these bees are crazy today. I'm procrastinating the trick. Should I just try it? I feel like I should just get this trick over with because I want to at least ride and do some stuff. If I try this trick and it doesn't work, and I mean, you're watching it, so it probably worked. But if I try this trick and it doesn't work in real time, then it kind of ruins the session. But I don't know, I feel like I could do it. I got the hold the other day pretty good. All right, we're gonna just try it. Do a fakie coat hanger. That's the name of the trick. You basically do like a fakie chairman, or like you're just riding backwards. No, you're riding backwards, but the scooter's riding forward. And then you go on the front wheel and completely let go and put it into like a mirror image cliffhanger position. And this is brand new, and this would be a world's first if I can get it, which is sick. I haven't done a world's first in a little bit. I'm doing new tricks, but not world's first. So if this works, this is currently my hardest trick. Dude, what are you doing? Oh my. Dude, I don't know sometimes. Like the one I land, I swear. What the hell is wrong with these bees? Look at this thing. He'd be like the best filmer though. Can I film him? Where's he going? They're annoying, but they're very steady. The tricks that I swear I'm gonna mess up are the ones I land. There's ones I swear I'm gonna land, the ones I mess up. I swore I was gonna land every single one. And I fell on every single one except for the one that I thought I wasn't gonna land, and I landed that one perfect. Whoa, world's first. Fakie coat hanger. Kind of wanted to release that in this video just because there's more to that trick I really want to learn. So if I was able to do that in, I think it was about 30 minutes or so, which isn't too bad. If I was able to do that today, then it means there are a lot of tricks that I have written down for some real serious footage, such as Flat Edit 7. But I need to learn this trick first, I need to get it better. But sick, okay, let's keep going with the session. Wearing the Jordan 1s again. It's been a while. I feel like I've been riding a lot of flat, which usually means I like to ride Vans, especially slip-ons. But when I'm at skate park or street, I don't know, these shoes are cool. They're a bit heavier. I feel good. You got like a nice ankle guard, and I don't know, people probably get pissed that I'm riding in them, but they feel crazy good. They're perfect for riding. There might be like 2 more things I want to do here. It's really hot and I want to film another video. See if I can do 2 more things. Session's been going really good right now. I'm just trying to get some combos going. We got the world's first, and I want to get back to that quarter pipe and do some combos going up and down with that fakie manual. I think I want to do more of that right now. Quick question down below. Which bars do you like to see me ride more? Or which ones do you like better when you see me ride? Do you like the Union bars or the thermal bars? Both titanium, but which ones look better? I feel like for some reason, every time I ride Union, it's just like, oh, it feels so good. But then T-bars are so useful for flatland. So let me know in the comments below, which one do you like to see me ride more? And then if that's the same answer, for which one you would rather ride. I would hope it's the same answer. My way of riding the skate park, not the way everybody else does. So I feel like it's more fun. I have my own style, I have my own ways of figuring things out and learning new tricks, and they might not be the most popular things, but that's the point of why I ride and why I film it. I feel like no matter what you're doing, it's always good to try to use your imagination and learn things, because a lot of times when you don't see something and you do something that you haven't seen, it feels really good. And it could just be simple things. It doesn't have to be a world's first, but just doing weird stuff like that. And you don't see it, so you kind of feel, I mean, I don't know, it just gives you this extra piece of satisfaction, and that's why I like to ride the way I ride. For riding over 20 years, I feel like anytime I do something that's been done, sometimes I don't even want to try it. Even if it's an easy trick that I should learn, I'm like, people do it, I don't want to do it. That's kind of like the mentality I have, probably just because I'm riding for so long, but it's definitely an even greater feeling to do tricks that you haven't seen or very few people can do, and that's kind of why I do things like that in the skate park. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Packed. Hope you were hyped on that world's first, and I'm looking forward to your comments about the Union bars versus the thermal bars. The thermal bars are on my flatland scoot, and the Union bars are on this scooter that I ride for street and park and everything else. But I'll go back and forth. I like both. Let me know what you think. If you want to grab a pair of the titanium bars, that link's in the description. If you don't want to spend too much and you want to grab either the aluminum Union bars or the steel thermal bars, they're not that much heavier, barely a difference, but I think it's like half the price for either one. Check that link, shop for some bars, let me know what bars you're riding, which ones you like. Thank you again for watching. Thanks for being here for the daily videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.